Bitfarms may want to change its name soon to something without bit, not because there's anything wrong with association to its bit farming roots, and not even because the crypto market is still quite red. No, it comes from some changes afoot, starting with Bitfarms reporting a 156% year-over-year increase in revenue, reaching $69.2 million, driven by growth in its energy infrastructure and mining activities in its most recent quarterly report. However, it also posted a widened net loss of $46 million, a 92% increase compared to the previous year, mainly due to an impairment charge of $34 million. Despite these losses, Bitfarms has made seismic shifts, discontinuing operations in Argentina and Paraguay to focus on North American high-performance computing, HPC, and AI infrastructure. A key move in this transition was a $128 million agreement to convert its Washington mining facility into an AI-focused data center, marking a departure from its reliance on Bitcoin mining. This pivot to AI and HPC aligns with a broader trend within the sector, with Bitfarms and peers like CleanSpark focusing on high-margin AI workloads as demand for computational power surges. CEO Lisa Riccardi emphasized that the conversion of the Washington site could generate more revenue than the company's Bitcoin mining operations, with a strong cash flow foundation that could support operational expenses and debt service. Bitfarms also completed a $588 million convertible note offering, improving liquidity to $814 million, positioning the company well for its AI infrastructure build-out. The company's outlook now anticipates a 27.1% annual revenue growth rate by 2028, with expectations of $504.8 million in revenue and $58.8 million in earnings by then. Although there could be challenges with regulatory approvals and execution risks tied to its facility transformations, Bitfarms' shift towards AI and HPC infrastructure has garnered positive attention, making it an appealing stock for investors who have confidence in the broader trend of pivoting from mining to HPC. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.